Madeline.
You like it?
Got a ballerina on there just like you.
Turn it around, let's see it.
Yep.
I just don't have pink shoes.
You don't?
You
wanna see if it fits you?
I'll just
You wanna see if it fits you? Take the tag off of it. Here you go. Here, turn around. You know what this is for? Let's go. So somebody's in pre-K now. Perfect fit.
Ooh, it is.
You can use that for a long time.
When I get a choir, I can take it, but if I forget that's cold and that I'm going to see the spiritual and I have lunch and if I forget about it and I get a choir, I can eat it there and I can put it in my backpack.
And if we go to New York, you can put your clothes in there too.
But I don't go on a bus. I don't go on a bus to get to my school.
Say
I
thanks.
can put it like this.
See, it has every color in it, so